A patient who came to the OP the other day asked a question, "Doctor, does eating cucumber cause acidity?" When I asked what the reason was, they said that whenever they eat cucumber, they experience significant heartburn. So I thought we could think about that. What is the scientific aspect of it, and why did they experience heartburn? I am Dr. Anumod Kakkassery, Marian Ayurveda, Thrissur. First, let's go to a clip of that patient. Let's see what happened to them. Heartburn was a big problem, wasn't it?
Yes, exactly.
Now, how many months has it been since we started our treatment?
It's been 2 months now.
2 months have passed. So now, regarding the heartburn,
The heartburn has reduced significantly.
how long have you been having trouble with heartburn?
I had been having heartburn for about 4 or 5 months. It was quite severe.
It had been 4 or 5 months. So now, regarding what we mentioned during our conversation about cucumber, right? What do you feel when you eat cucumber?
I usually eat cucumber in the evening. I eat it because everyone says it's good. But after eating it, about an hour or an hour and a half later, I get something like heartburn. So I don't eat it anymore because of that. So I just put that item aside. But if I eat it for lunch, if I eat a little bit, it's fine. So if you eat it to fill your stomach, that's when it becomes a problem.
We mentioned that earlier. We already have low digestive juices and acidity here.
Yeah,
It's called hypacidity.
yeah,
Cucumber is something that is highly alkaline in nature. So when something alkaline comes in, the acidity is reduced even further.
I see.
So it won't digest at all.
Yeah.
The heartburn we experienced was due to indigestion. So cucumber doesn't suit everyone. At the same time, for people who have severe acidity and get hungry as soon as they eat, eating cucumber will clear it up. It will be soothing. For those with excessive acidity, eating cucumber, which has an alkaline nature, is good. At the same time, for those who have absolutely no acidity, eating cucumber can cause various illnesses due to severe indigestion.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So there are two things this patient is mentioning. The patient says that eating cucumber in small amounts is fine, but when eaten to fill the stomach, it causes severe acidity. So what happened to this patient? We all know to some extent about the benefits of cucumber. We know that it contains 95% water content. This water content delivers plenty of hydration to our intestines and helps in relieving constipation. Similarly, it is also a fruit that contains potassium. It helps in managing our blood pressure. Similarly, another fact is that its fiber content reduces constipation. Despite all this, the most significant factor we use therapeutically or for our health is the alkaline nature that cucumber exhibits after digestion. When we talk about alkaline nature, we have a body pH. Our body maintains itself at a body pH that ranges from 7.35 to 7.45. If it shifts slightly one way or the other, it can cause us many diseases. We know that if you ask what the biggest problem for people in today's era is, it is severe acidity. That is our big problem today. Many diseases arise from acidity. When we talk about acidity, it is of two types. We can classify acidity or heartburn into two types. One is what we often feel as heartburn, which is hyperacidity or hypoacidity. We can classify it this way if we want. Among these, the most commonly seen one is what is called hyperacidity. That is, feeling hungry very frequently, or feeling a burning sensation in the stomach by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or experiencing excessive hunger. These are the main symptoms of hyperacidity. For such people, regularly consuming cucumber can be a great way to help reduce their hyperacidity. And since cucumber naturally has alkaline properties, it can effectively help to neutralize the excess acidity within our body. It will reduce acidity. That helps them prevent many diseases. In this way, we can use cucumber like a medicine or as a good food item. At the same time, there are a very small number of people who cannot digest anything they eat. Those who get gas from eating anything, or those who get indigestion immediately after eating meat, or those who get constipation after eating meat, they face more difficulties when they eat cucumber. That means they have hypacidity in their body, that is, their acidity level is very low. So when they eat cucumber, which is alkaline in nature, their acidity is further reduced and they become unable to digest anything they eat. So what I was saying is that cucumber is not good for everyone. Cucumber does not work the same way for all humans. We could say that cucumber is very good for those with hyperacidity, and at the same time, it is something that those with hypoacidity should never eat. Many people, those who are overweight, one of the reasons for their obesity to a certain extent is indigestion. When they have difficulty digesting this cucumber, again, eating cucumber negatively affects their digestion further. In Ayurveda, cucumber is described as a substance with cooling or sweet properties. It is also referred to as Guru Snigdam, heavy and unctuous, oily. Its properties are described as Guru Snigdam. Guru means something that is difficult to digest. It has an unctuous or oily nature. Similarly, it has cooling properties. Another property, or rather another point, is that it increases kapha. That is, for those who experience an increase in kapha due to indigestion or those who have congestion, consuming cucumber will lead to further difficulties. Therefore, it is best for such people, those with digestive issues, to avoid eating cucumber altogether. At the same time, it is good for those with acidity to consume plenty of cucumber. Now, if someone with poor digestion still wants to eat cucumber, they can add some dry ginger, black pepper, and lemon to it, which will help neutralize the alkaline nature of the cucumber to a certain extent. At the same time, for those with hyperacidity, adding dry ginger, black pepper, and lemon to cucumber will only aggravate their hyperacidity. So this is what we mean when we say to process and consume cucumber in this manner. It is very good to consume various food items by combining them while also understanding our own body type. We will see you again in another episode. Thank you.